Good morning, my handsome and pretty little cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's nest. Do you guys see that shine? That's insane. So I wanted to make what I do in a day kind of a vlog because it's early morning and I felt really unmotivated, and I was like, you know what, we gotta get back into the swing of things, because if I don't keep the momentum going, I honestly would just let my channel fall off to the side. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. So I usually start off my morning by doing some work if I have morning classes. And then after that, when I feel up for it, I film like little silly TikToks, because sometimes if I don't push myself to be creative, I just kind of fall into a slump. So I just tell myself, just film anything, even if it's not like top tier, you'll eventually get better with time, but like you have to start. And the only way to get better is to practice. I haven't been feeling like super inspired, so I just figured, why don't I just film my little health fitness journey, because that way it too gives me content, and secondly, keeps me motivated. I've been going for 20-minute runs, and I think it's paying off, because I really do feel a lot better. When I remember to, I checked the mailbox, and it just so happens that today the PR package that I was really excited for finally arrived, and I'll be showing you guys the unboxing for that shortly. It is a genuine leather bag from Babala, and yeah, they kindly gifted it to me, and I'm like really excited to share that with you guys, because yeah, that's all this YouTube journey has been about, just kind of sharing the wins and the struggles and everything in between. I've been working really hard this year to just kind of be like low key and just like work and save. So I'm like super appreciative of these PR packages, because like honestly, otherwise, I don't know, this low buy is just killing me, man. So after I do my runs, and it's usually really cold, like today was -1, I'm always so excited to just like take a shower and eat my salad. Guys, I just got my in the mail. I thought I'd have the balls to wear it in public. I do not have the balls to wear that in public, especially not the places I go to. Yo, I'm just a humble girl. I like going to McDonald's and the mall and Winners, and that's it. I have no right pulling up with that kind of bag at the mall. Oh my god. So yeah, I decided, you know what, like all of that's just in my head. I should just wear the bag out. I was like, I don't understand why people would squirrel things away and never wear it. I don't really agree with that. So even though I was uncomfortable, I was like, you know what, like let's just wear it. So I wore the bag out in public, and yeah, as time went by, I got used to it, and I was like, yeah, just use the damn bag. If you notice, the filming style of these videos is TikTok style, because I've been doing my best to document my life, because I think it's important to document one's journey, and so that's why I've been documenting PR packages, my low buys, my fitness journey, because I think there's way more to life than just minimalism. Minimalism day in, day out, I don't know, I don't think that's healthy. I don't think making minimalism your personality is the way to go. I do try to keep my channel as professional and minimal as I can, but sometimes it's nice to kind of show the real me behind the scenes. Like, I'm only human, I'm normal, I go shopping, I eat junk food, and yeah, it's just a journey of documenting my imperfectness. So I am super excited to show you guys by far the most bomb PR package collaboration I've ever done. This bag is a PR gift. So first I want to say thank you to Babala Bags for partnering with me for today's unboxing. So I have an all leather bag that I want to share with you guys. I also have the discount code down here, which is applicable to all bags on their website. So let us do the unboxing. So let me put this down here and take off the lid. And I thought I would just show you guys what it looks like on the inside in terms of the unboxing. So it also does come with a dust bag, so you can keep your bag protected. It also comes with the little key and lock, which you can install on the bag. I don't really want the scratching the leather, so I probably won't put that on as often. Maybe sometimes, but not always. It also has the little felt to protect the metal. Also has the little cloche, is that what it is? The little key, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. Comes with keys, and let me just show you. Yeah, so it also comes with a lock and with keys, so you can keep the bag sealed if that is important, if you're traveling and you just want to like lock your stuff in. I don't think anyone really does that. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. The keys and the little lock, so you can put that on the bag. I feel like if I put that on there, it's gonna start scratching the hardware, and I would rather not. This is the colorway Craie in the size 25, and I wanna say Togo. And my god, I would always see people say on YouTube that like these bags are like, the 25 is really small. It's really small. Like, it's really small in person. Like, it is just the right amount of size. And yeah, that's what she looks like. The quality is insane, guys. This is completely leather, and it's not like it just smells like leather. Like, I saw some Babala reviews, they're like, oh, it smells like leather. No, guys, like this is leather, because you guys know I love leather bags. I have leather YSL products, I also have leather Coach products. This is leather. Like, this is leather. This is not synthetic. I've had pretty close synthetics. This is not synthetic. This is leather, guys. Like, this is actually leather. It's insane. Like, the attention to detail is like insane. I didn't think this is like what they call like the highest grade, like the AA plus grade quality. There's like still like the seal and the sticker on it. It's just like next level. So it does come with all the things that you would expect it to come with, and actually more than I thought that it would. So on the inside, it comes with the zipper closure and like the detailing. There's the H on the inside of the zipper. I was watching a tutorial and I was like, okay, I wonder if this one has it. It may not, right? It's not meant to do that. It came with like the little zipper on the inside. I was like, oh my gosh, the leather on the inside, the leather lining is raw. The only thing I'd have to say is probably the color is extremely warm. I don't know if you can see. I try my best to put it in like natural light. It's green. Craie is supposed to be kind of like an off-white, and maybe like, I don't know what Craie looks like. It's very green, and it pulls very green compared to, and obviously I can't compare it against YSL because they're not the same brand, but the vintage Blanc is more of like a gray white, versus if this is truly what Craie looks like. I can see why a lot of people don't like Craie. A lot of people prefer like Nata. This is an extremely warm white, almost green kind of colorway. You can see like my shirt is like a regular white. You can see how green this pulls. So if this really is truly the color of Craie, I can see why people don't like Craie, and they usually get the hardware in rose gold because it's a very warm bag, but it looks very stunning with the gold hardware. I asked for it in gold hardware. If you are interested in this, it does come in silver hardware and in gold hardware, so that is really exciting. And then it has like the little plastic straps. I even got a twilly for it that just so happens to be like a beige green, and that's just gonna go so well with the bag. Really excited. I got this from Winners. I actually got this from my dad. This was $14. She's gonna pair so beautifully. Like, I'm absolutely just stunned with the bag. So let me try opening it up. It's actually really hard to get in and out of these bags. Like, I have watched like a lot of tutorials, and I get now why people are like, they leave them open. Like, they're not easy to get in and out of. I'll definitely be putting the flap in the back. I spent like a good 10-15 minutes trying to open and close the closure to like check everything. So let me open this off camera, because like, my god, it is not easy opening these things. Okay, so there we go. So we opened it so you guys can see on the inside. Again, I could definitely take off the plastic, these little plastic tabs. You know what? I'm going to do that right now for the camera. Yeah, I could just literally pull them off. I am still going to leave like the little tabs. I know a lot of people just keep the tags on so it doesn't like devalue the bag. But it's just such an experience to have like the little stickers on it as well. Like, it makes me feel like I'm experiencing the little details as well. So yeah, it has like the little velvet cloth that comes on it as well. So we'll take that off. And then I will show you guys what is on the inside so you guys can see. So it also does come with like all the things. So it has the front pocket slip, and then in the back, the 25 has a slightly different pocket from the other sizes, where the 25 is actually like welded to the back. And this comes with like all the detailing that, as far as I've seen from the tutorials, clasp is the same color as the metal on the outside, and it has a little H here in the back. I'll probably like film it up close with the camera. That is also there as well. Like, I'm just stunned. And it also comes with a little air baggie. So I'll take that out, which will be great for keeping its shape. Although this is something that I think I'm going to wear a lot. I will not be babying this Babala. Honestly, guys, I never thought that I'd be getting something like this around this period in my life, like in my early 30s. I really thought that, well, that's not true. I did go to Paris to buy one, but I figured once I got my hands on one, then I'd start doing research on more of the details. I think these are called sangles. Like, there's like a bunch of names for these things. But yeah, it also comes with this. I haven't put it together yet. Also leather as well. You can see that from like the material. Like, absolutely insane. If you're wondering about the quality, like the way that it's like sealed and everything, because I've seen bags where like they're very carelessly made. I'd have to say the craftsmanship on this, like in itself for just being a bag, you know, it's stunning, guys. Like I'm shocked. Like this, and to be fair, this bag retails for I want to say 300 something. This is still more expensive than some of my Coach bags. So she is a work of art. Like she's absolutely a work of art, which like when you guys see like those things where it's like Dior had like Chinese workers making these bags, and like this came from China, and like Chinese have great craftsmanship. Like I'm not even gonna lie, like they do a phenomenal job. Like it's really good. Like I absolutely love it. Like I'm just stunned. So let me show you guys the feet. I have seen on other videos that sometimes the feet sizes do not match, so I don't know if this is like exactly the same. They may be a little bit taller, a little bit shorter, and it does come with like little rubbers that you can put on and off. I kind of want to leave the rubbers on because give it a little extra protection. That's very cute. Yeah, it also comes with the lock and key as well, also in the exact same colorway of what you order your bag in. So since I ordered what do you call it, a gold, this one also comes in the gold with the keys. So let's actually take off the plastic together. Okay, all right, that's so cute. I'm assuming the lock and key work. Like why would they not? So let's open this bad boy up. Probably won't wear this with the bag, or maybe I will. Maybe I'll just wear it on here. I know a lot of people tend to do that, so like I'll just probably wear it here. Although I do want to get a cute little Pegasus charm, and I want to put that there because that's what I saw. This one girl, she had a Pegasus charm, and I was like, I want that. I want that too. So cute, so freaking cute. So yeah, absolutely stunning. I'm probably going to get like a divider on the inside to protect the inside of the bag because it is still leather. Like it's very delicate. Like when you touch the leather on the inside, it's very supple. You can easily scratch it. This one also came with these little things. These are good because you can throw them in there and it keeps the thing from getting like moldy or dirty, or like the wetness isn't good for leather bags, so that's really good. Although I probably might stick one of these inside of my YSLs. Absolutely stunning. So let me show you guys from afar what that looks like. Super freaking cute. And because she is like a really low-key bag, you can also just put her on the other side. I like wearing it like this, if I'm completely honest. I really like when bags are like really minimal and low-key. So you can just put it like that, super low-key. And also the hole is kind of like small-ish. So this is definitely more of a summer bag if you want kind of like more of a summer vibe. With a winter coat, it's really hard to fit. So like when I have a jacket on and I put this on, it's a little harder to put your hand through the loophole, but she's good for summer because you can just put her on the crook of your arm and just wear it out and about. I don't think it can go any higher. I don't think the size 25 can go any higher. Let me try. It's probably gonna get stuck. So this is kind of it. There's no area for you to put like clasp on like a strap or anything like that. She's kind of a one and done kind of bag. So if you don't really enjoy this type of style, I probably wouldn't recommend it. But if you are just like going on holiday or just out to brunch and you're not really carrying anything heavy, this might be that kind of bag. It's that kind of bag. It's definitely not a carry a lot of stuff and whatnot. They also come with a little air baggie, so you can put that inside and keep the shape of the bag because it is leather. And leather does kind of like sag and warp over time, so you definitely want to keep it nice and sturdy. So yeah, it is leather. I wanted to protect the leather on the bag, so I did put little twillies. You might recognize some of these. This is the twilly that I picked up in France, and I just thought how cute, how fitting. I like putting these on leather bags because I can always just wash this, and yeah, it keeps the leather from getting tarnished. So that is what she looks like. This twilly my dad gave me. I normally wear this on my long champ. And then on the inside, if you guys want to see what the inside looks like, very spacious, really nice. I love the all leather material. It's very luxurious looking, very soft to the touch. Love this bag a lot. It's a leather bag, so I'll just be putting this on my vanity with my other things, with my other bags. Just kind of enjoy a vibe. It's very low key. It comes in black as well. I didn't think black was really my style. I kind of decided I should go with like a white-ish colorway. So I was like, this is nice. This will do. So thank you so much to Babala bags. I really, really like the bag a lot. It is really well constructed. The quality is just top tier. The leather is really supple and soft and just really, really good quality. The stitching is beautiful. The stitching is just just extremely well constructed. I'm really happy with the bag. I plan to love and cherish this bag for many years to come because it's very elegant, very just like low key, and just a vibe, just really pretty. And I really like the bag a lot, like really like the bag a lot. I'm really excited to style this in videos, just holding it and just like walking around having a good time because she's so cute, just so low key, just so minimal, just so like basic, no like crazy logos over it. Just it's minimal, it's beige, like a creamy beige. That's totally my vibe, totally my aesthetic. And if you feel like dressing it up, you can like change the twilly, put another color, hang some bag charms on it, just kind of go crazy with the decorations because the bag in itself is just like really low key and minimal. So let's get on to today's regularly scheduled program. Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. So for those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra, and I make minimalism videos. So come along with me as we go work out because you know how it is. Health is wealth. Let's get it. Let's go. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys that I think it's important to just show up. Like, you don't have to be perfect. Like, I don't have a perfect body, but that originally did stop me from making TikToks about my fitness journey. But I was like, oh, who cares? Like, for God's sake, like, who cares? So I was like, I'd rather just show up like real, honest, and authentic and imperfect. And I'm happy. And I think honestly that's the best thing at the end of the day, because getting stuck in your head worrying about this, that, and the third is just not healthy. And I was like, you know what? I would rather be proud of my work, that I showed up even though I'm not perfect. And so that's why I just film it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.